Let's move on swiftly and catch up with the weather, shall we? Louise, Lear is here. Hello.
He needs to stick to the tennis, doesn't he? Hello. Nothing as exciting as that, I'm afraid, with the weather. It's a pretty grey affair. This is what most of us have woken up to so far this Monday morning. This is what most of us would like, wouldn't it? But sheltered eastern areas are seeing some breaks in the cloud now, and a little bit of sunshine coming through. And in actual fact, this afternoon, it should improve just a little. So it has been a grey start. You can see some brighter spells starting to come through that cloud now, and into the afternoon it'll be quiet. It'll be a reasonable afternoon for many of us. Pleasant out there in terms of the feel of things, generally mid-teens, but if you get a little more sunshine, highs of 17 Celsius. Now the cloud always thick enough along the coast for a spot or two of light drizzle and maybe favoured spots across northwest England and western Scotland, but not too bad into eastern Scotland. Sunny, and yes, we could see temperatures as high as 17 degrees. Now make the most of it, because things are set to change through Scotland and Northern Ireland. Through the night we'll see some wet and windier weather starting to push in, but it's a very weak affair. This weather front weakens off as it moves its way south into the north of England, so we're not going to see any significant rain across England and Wales as it continues to push its way steadily south. A little more in the way of cloud, maybe some organised showers into the southwest of England, but behind it a better day, more sunshine for many of us, and as a degree or so a little warmer as well, highs up to around 18 degrees. More wet and windy weather pushes into the northwest. We do it all again overnight Tuesday into Wednesday. This time the rain really could be quite heavy through Scotland and Northern Ireland, with gales on exposed coasts as well, and it'll take a time for that weather front to clear away as it drifts steadily south, but it will do so, and it will start to move away from the southeast overnight Wednesday into the early hours of Thursday morning. That's going to allow clear skies and a touch of light frost possible first thing on Thursday morning. But not a bad day in prospect. Dry with some reasonable sunshine to come through. Now, if you've heard a rumour things might get a little warmer into the weekend for southern England, well, the reason for that is actually ex-Hurricane Nate. There's quite a lot of warmth across the US at the moment, and that extra energy from Nate will drive this warmer air across the Atlantic. It will also add more energy across the jet stream and push the areas of low pressure up into the northwest, sitting across Greenland, and so that means we'll see some warmth coming across southern England, and temperatures may well get as high as 22 or 23 degrees across parts of England and Wales. Not for all of us. Let's not get too carried away. Let's get back to the here and now. It's going to be a grey start for many this week. Some rain, some gales through the middle of the week, and then that warmth to look forward to in the southeast in particular for the weekend. Jane.
All right, Louise, thanks very much. Louise Lear, thank you. And just a reminder of our main story here this London.